Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be flipping through these new sticker books from the Happy Planner, Happy Blooms, Don't Stop Growing, and Garden Flowers. If you'd like to see that, stick around. As you know, I got my order this week from the Happy Planner from their new winter release, and I thought I'd flip through a couple of things for you. I'm just going to do a few flip through videos, but if you didn't see my haul video, I will try to post it here or link in the description. So I got two of these Happy Blooms books because I love flower stickers in my planner, and this one is gorgeous. I didn't really look through it until I got it, but I have looked at it already. It's so pretty. By the way, Christmas nails. Okay, so some of these flowers we've seen already, but a lot of them we haven't. These ones we have seen. These are on paper. They're a little bit bigger though, I think. And I know that you guys have probably seen flip-throughs of these, but I like to do it myself because I get very excited about the new sticker books, and I thought you might like to see my opinion on things. So here we have some new flowers I've never seen before. They're really pretty, and we don't get a lot of purples from the Happy Planner, so I like this. I don't know about that bird, but I think it might work in certain spreads, but I'm not really big into like realistic looking birds in my planner, but like I'll probably put some in. I like this book because the flowers are like really big, and I really love to put them in like the corners of my spreads, and since I use a big Happy Planner, it really works for me. So these are also on paper. I've never seen these before. They're like paintbrush strokes, really pretty. Got some yellow here, which I love. And look at these, you guys. These are, they have like this black backing. So these are on clear black sticker paper. So they have the black backing. So it's not going to be for every spread. It's a very strong statement, but I am definitely going to use these because I love black stickers combined with like really colorful stickers. So for me, this is like really cool. Also, by the way, if I sound different, it's because my my phone was dying, so I couldn't use my microphone. Anyway, that's another story. I have to get a splitter because the microphone gets power from the phone, and yeah, so you're not getting the full microphone experience right now, but whatever. If you're new to my channel, you're probably like, I don't care about your stupid microphone, just do the flip through. So here we have these same flowers, but on clear sticker paper. And I love it when they give us these corners to put in our planner. And then we have some of those same flowers, but gold foil, it looks like. I think they're the same. Okay, we have seen these before, but I love these ones because I love the colors. Very, very cute. Also, I think they're a little bit bigger than before. And I don't know that I've seen that gray one. I think they added that one in. And then these are like peaches, and they are on this backing. I don't love when they do this, when it's not like white backing with the clear paper or even just the paper stickers. Don't love this, but in certain situations it is going to work. So I know I'll be using them. Also, when you have like a colored background, you get this whole area back here that you can use. So if I use these flowers in a spread, I am also probably going to use some of this background to cut into like either strips or icons or something like that. I can always use that, and it'll like kind of coordinate the spread together. So this is another one, and we have it on the green, and these actually would go together really well. And another bird for you. Ooh, I love these. They're so cute. And then we have another page of the peach. So you can combine all these together. These I love. They're just like painted flowers with these brush strokes in them. And the colors are really cool, just very different. I love the turquoise leaves, really abstract looking and cute. These are on paper. And these are like the same colors as these, so they'll all coordinate. They're a little bit of a different style, but still really cute. Here we have some more realistic flowers, and these, you'll probably see some of these in the gardening sticker books, I would think. More like wildflowers instead of like whimsical stuff. Oh, I've already used some of these, sorry. These are, gosh, sorry I took that out, but I love plant stickers like so much. I love, love, love houseplant stickers. I don't know why. I have a thing for them, and I was so excited to see these. And there's some blue foil on here as well, and I took some more off. I have another one of these books, but it's not currently available. Anyway, oh, I'll show you the spread. Wait, let me just quick show you the spread that I used. At least I can show you the stickers in that. The spread I made with them, I mean. So this was a patron video. This is for next week, and I love it so, 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 so much. Love, love, love. And yeah, I combined the plants with like some of the stickers from the Caregiver book, and I think they're perfect. It's a perfect spread for me, and it made sense for me to use it in the new year. So there you go. Those are the stickers that I took out of that book. I would buy like 2 of these just for the plants. I don't know what it is with me and houseplant stickers, but it's a thing. Okay, let's now go into the Don't Stop Growing sticker book. This is a gardening theme, and it's going to coordinate with my succulents planner that I just got. So we have some paper decorative boxes with gold foil, and then some decorative boxes without the foil. These are very similar to the gardening ones that we got last year that were a Walmart exclusive. We have some habit trackers and some of these little square ones. And this says water, so super cute. And we have some longer box stickers, some flags. And these are, you know, a garden theme. So it says garden planning, seed shopping, get a soil test, soil prepping, amend soil, stuff like that, planting day. Here's some wreaths. I'm not a huge fan of the wreaths, but here we have some wreaths with gold foil. 2 of the things I don't like as much, but, you know, I love like 99% of what Happy Planner puts out, and there's only a few types of stickers that I don't love, and these are some of them. But it says today's list, noteworthy, and same. And then here's some more, but in like a very soft muted color. And then we have, let's see, butterflies and bees are always welcome. We have these cute flags with little line art floral drawings on them. Meet me in the garden, I'll be in the garden. And then we have some double box stickers here, which are always useful for me. And like these say gardening journal, but what you can do, you can always cut these kind of things. So if you didn't want it to say gardening journal, you can cut that off or put like a header sticker over it. And then you have like a double box sticker that is useful for you. Okay, a few more of these, and we have some house plant stickers, which I love. And then we have some longer box stickers for the sidebar, and some of these remember today, important, stuff like that. Market list, another long box sticker, some chickens. And I love that the Happy Planner makes like use of the space. So we always have like, if you've got stickers this size, we always have in the middle some like to-do checklist stickers usually. These say meet me in the garden again. Again, you can use these and cover this up, or you could even like take it and cut right here and place it against like a line or another box. That's always an option too. Things to do. So these say garden party, plant dreams, harvest time, soak up the sun, play in the dirt, stuff like that. And then we have some little gardening gold icon stickers. These are on clear paper, really cute. And then some little weather ones. More of these, but in different colors. These are useful not just for gardening, but pretty much for anything. Harvest log, and then it says date, crop, quantity, and then plants. But again, these have gold foil. But again, you can switch this up. You can cover this up and use it for something else. Very changeable. More harvest log stickers and some birds over here, and chickens and butterflies. More of the same. These are different. Tending to, today, remember, important. I like the colors. Okay, we have some more of these flags, and they're giving us a lot of long box stickers in this book, which is a nice change. Okay, so these are on clear paper. We have market list. Oh, they all say market list, but they're just different pictures. And look at these big vegetables that we got this time. These are on clear paper as well. I love these. They're so cute. And I got to work on my garden this year, so I'll be using some of these. I said that last year and I didn't. There was just weeds in my garden all year long. I actually did weed the garden, and then I never planted anything. But this year it's going to be different. Yeah, these are just so cute. I love these, and they're very vibrant and pretty. And then we have some more on clear paper with some flowers and stuff, a butterfly, more of these. I don't know if you saw my gardening spread that I did when I did the stamping, but I used a lot of these types of stickers, and I didn't think I was a fan of these gardening sticker books when I got them, but like every time I use them, I like love my spread so much, so I guess I am a fan. Okay, so this is the garden flowers sticker book, and it's going to be similar, but it's going to also be different, right? So this first page is paper stickers, and we've got some vegetables, and it says time to harvest, and it's like copper foiling on there. It's really cute. And then we have this little basket of the harvest. Really, really cute. And some birds, butterflies. Again, not a super fan of the birds, but I did use birds in that gardening spread, and I kind of liked it. So, you know, I still, they're not like my favorite thing. I actually really like birds in like stickers, but I like the whimsical bird stickers, like not the realistic ones. These are on paper and these are on clear. We have the same birds. It's the same exact page, except these are clear. I like when they give us that option. And then we have some of these wildflowers and more butterflies. You could do an entire butterfly spread because there's a lot of butterflies in this book. Okay, so we have the pruning shears, and it says trim, prune, trim. And then some big wildflowers, or maybe not wildflowers if you've planted them, but you know what I mean? Like just big on clear sticker paper. I love that they're giving us these big flowers because, as I said before, I love it. And look at this page, you guys, chickens. And they're on clear. I love that. And then you get a page of paper too. I'm going to do a chicken spread. Do you dare me to do a chicken spread? I'm doing one. Maybe not like in January, but I'm going to do one. I'm going to put that on my list of spread ideas. Because like, how funny is that? Just a chicken spread. Oh my gosh, so funny. Okay, I love these. You get pages of herbs. We have basil and oregano. Rosemary down there, I guess. Yeah. And mint and thyme. And cilantro, my fave. Sage and dill. And then we get like, what are these? Are they onions? Why are they red inside? Help me out here. Are they onions? Are they... They're in the onion family. I don't know what they are. Oh, Allie said shallots. Maybe. Maybe they're shallots. I really should know. I should know what they are. I guess Allie's listening to me record. She's all the way in the other room. I can't believe she heard me. And then we have this page of wildflowers on paper. And oh my gosh, I would buy this book just for this page. This is beautiful. You know how I said I have a thing for plants, houseplants in my planner? I also have a thing for citrus fruits in my planner. I do not know why I love it so much, but there's something about lemons and limes in my planner that just make me happy. And I'm really happy that I got this. So not only will I be doing a chicken spread, but I will also be doing a citrus spread. I have to write these down right after I film this video because, yeah, that's exciting. And then these are on clear. Oh my gosh, lemons. I love lemons. Also, they're yellow, which is my favorite color. Okay, so we have some lettuce here. Onions. I guess they were onions, but they're like red inside. Are they red onions, I guess? I guess they're red onions. And peaches, which are a little bit dark looking, but still cute. Tomatoes on the vine. String beans, squash. So this would be great, like if you have a gardening planner, like if you, or even just pages in your planner where you're planning what you're going to garden. This would be perfect for like some sort of table of what you're planning on putting in your garden, or just like a garden tracker page, because you can use these big cute stickers to track what you're planting. Yeah, so we've got eggplants and peppers and sugar snap peas and radishes. Oh, that's garlic. I was trying to figure out what that one was too. Okay, bok choy. I've never planted that. What's this? What do you think this is? I'm not sure. Arugula. Or is that arugula? What is this one then? I don't know. Arugula and carrots, which I'm so bad at planting carrots because I crowd them together because I want like so many in there, and then they end up being like short and stubby, and then I don't eat them and I pull them out and Bumble eats them. And then we have these watering cans full of flowers, and this says water plants. So there's your reminder. And look at these. So these are on paper. These are so cute. I love the colors. These will be great. Like, these would be great in a fall spread. They're very fall-like. Love that. And then some of these pink ones. I see houseplants. 2 pages worth. Love, love, love. We've got some succulents. Are they all? I guess they're all succulents. Oh my gosh, I love succulents. And I love succulent stickers. I like drawing them too. All right, so that's enough babbling for me. There you have it, those 3 sticker books. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and did you get any of them yet? Are you gonna get any? I will put a link to all of these. I don't know what's in stock right now, but I'll link them all up so you can purchase. And they do restock things, you know, pretty often. If you are going to purchase, I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate links. I do have an affiliate with the Happy Planner, if you didn't know. So if you go to purchase something on their website and like use my link, I get a small percentage of your purchase and it doesn't cost you a dime. So I would appreciate it if you would do that. Okay, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for a couple more flip throughs and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.